Working out where all the autofill information in the Front Matter comes from can be confusing, but here are a few tips using the novel template. First, let's look at the manuscript Front Matter. You'll see here that my fake address and contact information is already filled out, and there are some fields for titles and names. Let's deal with the contact info first. This has to be filled out before you open a template or it won't autofill. Go to File, Options, General and Author Information to add your details if you want this information to be autofilled. If not, you can just overtype the fields in the Front Matter. In the top right, you'll see a word count field. This will autofill to the nearest 100 words. There are various other options you can substitute, which are detailed in this video here. Project title and full name come from the information in the compile screen, so you'll need to fill this out too. There are a long list of fields used in many of the templates that are taken from this data, and you can find out about those in this video. The paperback Front Matter works mainly off the compile information, except that on the copyright page you'll see there's a year field that will autofill. I would overtype this because otherwise it could change the copyright date when you don't want it to. If you want to check out those two videos I mentioned, they're right here.